Hey there, I wanted to take a minute to introduce Knuula's new data review and tracking tool. So this allows you to send out a list of clients to the team members who are responsible for those clients, have them update and verify information, and then track it all in one centralized place. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So here's the full campaign that I'm tracking for an annual review of information. I'm going to go to my queue. So this is going to be what every partner would have, and it would take them to something along these lines. It's going to give them a list of their clients with the specific fields that need to be updated. So this one has client name, entity type, email, status. So whatever they need to update on those things, they can do that here, and it's going to track it from end to end. So say this was wrong last year, it should have been a partnership, and maybe these are partnerships also. And then this one's actually state or more like an individual. This email looks good. These emails have changed. We can get rid of these ones. So as you see, it's kind of tracking everything I'm doing as I'm going through. This didn't have a regular client name, so we need to add that here. So I can do all of this, keep track of what I'm doing. I'm going to save it for 5 out of the 17 that were on my list. And then it's going to get rid of those ones, and I'm just faced with what is left for me. So now back on the full campaign, as this thing gets updated, you're going to see that more things will be completed. So now we're at 21. I'm only down to 12 things that are left for me to do. And here's where I can see all of that. Say there's a few clients that I'm actually not sure if we're going to work with this year, so maybe let's hold off on doing this. I'm going to go ahead and move those over to hold. I'm going to save that. So now they're out of this part of the queue and they're kind of in this on hold time period. So here's the full campaign from end to end, where we can kind of track the status of everything. We can see what's complete, and all of this information goes back into the client and updates everything. I'm going to switch over to team members so you can see that view as well. So if I'm the person in charge of this whole campaign, I can see how everyone has done so far. Jamie's 21 out of 33, so he's almost there. We can send reminders in bulk as well. So it really helps manage the whole annual data review update system from end to end. We hope you try it out.